Hello, I'm very excited for what I have today. I have Ace by Taemin. This is the Taiwan version because it's the only version I could get my hands on, but I'm really excited. It's brand new and everything, and I've been hunting for this for quite some time. Hence the Chinese characters back here. Alright, I'm going to remove the plastic. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, I'm going to remove the cover for the moment. I love it. I'm so excited. Alright, and I see the photo card right there. I'm going to move it over here for now. And it comes with the, I believe, Taiwanese lyrics, because this is that version. I'll double check and put it in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's the Taiwanese version. Beautiful disc. I guess I'll pull it out just because. All right. Here's a gun. Danger. He's more naked than I thought he would be in this photo book. That's okay though, I still really like the photo book. Pretty Boy. I'm so excited to have this album. It's got Pretty Boy, it's got Danger, it's got Ace. It's got his beautiful hair. Oh, one more picture hiding in the back. Alright. And photo card. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. The red eyeliner, red eyeshadow, either way. I love it. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.